Hello! Welcome to our drawing channel. Today, we will be drawing
crab,
a crab together using our hands. Like this. These drawing lessons are suitable for our youngest viewers. They help develop imagination and fine motor skills. So, let's take a marker, and I'll show you how to place your hands to draw a crab. You need to place the sheet of paper vertically and position your hand like this. Follow me. You need to outline your hand with a black marker, but not all the fingers completely. Watch how I do it. You should outline your thumb like this. Now, turn the drawing paper over. Use your other hand. Do as I do. Now, let's draw another crab right here.
Subscribe to our channel, click on the notification bell,
so you will not miss our new video lessons.
and give us lots and lots and lots and lots of likes.
Maya, place your hand like this. Spread your fingers in different directions to make it look like crab legs. Moana, let me help you too. You need to flip the paper and place your hand like this. Then, trace it with a marker. We will have very cute and cheerful crabs. Now, we need to draw eyes on our crabs. Draw the eyes right here. Let's also give them smiles to make them look kind and cheerful. And, of course, we must draw their pincers. Maya, do you like it? Do our drawings look like crabs now? Yes, these are our cheerful crabs. Moana, go ahead and finish your crab. Maya, where is the mom crab? Where is the younger crab daughter? Where is the older crab daughter? That's right, we did a great job. Now, let's put the black marker aside. Let's take colored markers to color our drawings.
I want to color the lips pink.
First, let's color them red.
Mom, I have an idea. I want to make my crab two-colored. One half will be red, and the other half will be purple. Please, give me the purple marker. I've already colored the red part. So, Mom, shall we show how our drawings turned out?
Come on, Maya, show it. Just remember to flip the paper. Well done. Like this.